Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to change Windows 10 language. If you want to change your Windows language, then you have to click on Start menu and then you have to click on Settings. From here you have to click on Time and Language, and then from here you have to select the language. Click on Language, and here you will find Windows Display Language. It will be English or something else, so you don't have to worry. You have to go to downward, and here you will find Preferred Language. So you have to click on Add Language. Make sure your laptop or PC is connected to internet, and then from here you have to select your desired language. For example, you want to change your PC language to French, Arabic or any other language. Select that language and then you have to click on Next, and then you have to check these two boxes. Also select Set as my Windows Display Language. Also you have to check this box, and then you have to click on Install. So it will start installing your selected language. You have to wait for a while, and then here you will find your updated language along with English, the new language. Also select that one and click on Administrator Language Settings. From here click on Copy Settings. Check these two boxes, click OK, and you have to restart your PC. Click on Restart Now. Right now you can see our laptop language is now successfully changed. Right now you can see we have changed our language from English to Arabic. So in the same way you can also change your Windows 10 language. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.